left in second gear or something. I ain't heard no second.
Moving.
Did you hear? I ain't, nah.
Yeah, right, but.
Nah, that ain't gonna whoop that Tesla. That was a full pass. It looked like, oh, that was a full pass, but I mean, it wasn't a dangerous full pass. I think he left in second gear, man.
As soon as he left, he clicked.
Oh, okay. As soon as he left, he went to second. Yeah, he must be scared of it. He's scared of it. Yeah. He know not to go to second that fast. He only got 2 gears. Well, I guess, yeah, he did. That was a full pass. He can only improve from there. Y'all heard his horn? That was his horn, y'all. This the Tesla that they call the Energizer Bunny, y'all.
Hell yeah.
Y'all heard his little horn, y'all. He liked that. That's probably his favorite part of the car. Yeah, this the Tesla that won a while ago. It has a yoke, so it's refreshed, but can't tell if it's a plat. There's no badge. Not a plat. Oh shit, I told y'all he'll ban you. Fox by the King went on Murder Page and said, what you say? You said, check out Lookout Racing, man. You done got banned from over there. Now you can't go back. God damn. Gave himself the back tire, y'all. That Mustang on the other side got a turbo on it. Yeah, man. Damn. And you bet the redneck don't go over there saying, check out Lookout Racing. He'll ban you too, man. He caught him, man. That was a good one there. I didn't think he was gonna make it up in time, but he did. That was good right there. Hey, man. Look out, right lane. Let me see, that's why it is. Yeah, redneck, don't go over there trying to get banned and test the limits. I wouldn't that end my game's a battle between friends. Yeah, that's right. I don't want to be battling people. I just let them do all their little talking, negative stuff, whatever they gotta say. That's whatever they do. People do that all the time. It ain't gotta be just me. And I treat all of them the ones the same. All the haters, we just have a conversation about it. That's if I want to. don't do no arguing with people that don't like me. I don't chill with people that don't like me. I stay away from them. I don't drag their name in the mud. Cause I don't want to hear such and such said you. No. Whatever I need to say to you, I'll say it. I ain't scared. But I just don't say too many mean things to different people. So I just, if it get to that point, it do. But I don't be promoting it. You hear me? Pro tree? Okay. Hey, Pro tree! Where the dude at? Here you go, right here. Hey, look out. He said Pro tree. Oh, you already got it? Okay.
He always runs pro tree.
Uh-oh, he didn't cut off at the line. Ready that on. Okay, one more time, y'all. I got faith in him, y'all. Come on, Trent, let's go. He killing them on the light, man, every time. If that Mustang leave first, it's over. That's what I'm talking about. Trent stayed out there on him this time, y'all. He did his thing, man. Good curse.
I got this raggedy motherfucker.
Damn. You must got this hoe for the low. Huh? Shit, this side sound louder.
This side sounds louder.
Yeah. Yeah, this side sound louder. Gotta look.